When encountering the low point of life, have you ever thought that the real power does not come from the external environment, but from the confidence and courage of the heart? When facing pain and challenges, we often ignore the most powerful power, that is, ourselves, our true self. Learn to embrace the inner light, move towards your true self, and accept yourself. The true self does not need to be concealed. Everyone has a unique life experience and value, and this value does not depend on the evaluation of the outside world, but is rooted in the truth and confidence in the heart. Only by learning to accept yourself and letting go of those labels and expectations of the outside world can you truly live out of yourself and find inner peace and strength. At every moment of life, when you learn to accept your imperfections, you can shine from the inside out and become the strongest self in the challenge. Out of the trough and embrace every moment, we often struggle in difficulties, full of uncertainty and fear of the future. Everything arises from the state of mind. No matter how the outside changes, as long as the heart remains clear and stable, no matter how dark the time is, it cannot cover up the light in our hearts. The key to getting out of the trough is not to give up trust in yourself, maintain a positive attitude, and draw strength from every moment. When you begin to accept yourself, no matter how painful the past experience is, no matter how noisy the outside world is, you will find the power of self-confidence. It does not come from the recognition of others, but from the bottom of the heart. When you sincerely open your heart to yourself, no longer hide it, and no longer change to cater to others, you can release your own light. True self-confidence comes from inner peace and self-accession. In the face of pain, become your own healer. Every pain is an opportunity to release, so that you can know yourself better and learn to let go in difficulties. When you learn to heal yourself from the heart, accept pain and coexist peacefully with it, you will no longer be afraid of challenges, but will be able to draw strength from them. The real self does not need to pursue perfection. We are often confused by the standards of the outside world and think that we need to achieve a certain perfect image in order to be accepted and loved. However, perfection is not equal to reality. Only the true self can touch the depths of the soul and bring lasting inner satisfaction and peace. When you no longer try to cater to others, but honestly face your shortcomings and strengths, you can achieve true self-consummation. Find strength from inner peace. We are often disturbed by the noise of the outside world, and it is difficult for our hearts to find true peace. However, inner peace is not to escape from the world, but to find yourself in the world. At every moment, you can choose to focus on the present, put down the burden of the past, and move towards the light of the future. When you learn to build a quiet space in your heart, you can maintain a calmness and strength in the waves of life.